Baxi have got several ways of writing their serial numbers down. As we can see, sometimes there's 2 letters and then numbers, and 3 letters and then numbers. So if you work for Baxi and you want to add to this, or I've made some mistakes, please leave a comment below or get in touch with me through the website mrcombi.com. If you see a information plate, it'll have from the manufacturer the year, the week or month, sometimes letters, sometimes numbers. And that will also include the model, the version of that model, and maybe how many they've built to that date. All sorts of information is there, so this is the Baxi way. Keep watching this video because later on I'm going to give you the most popular error codes that Baxi have, and with our app F.22 what they actually mean. So this is the pre-2003 version of their serial number. This is the start of their more smarter serial numbers, 2003. That information now includes the product line, which factory it was using, and how many they actually made up to that date in that year. Here's an example where they've used 31 as the year. Obviously that hasn't arrived yet, so we simply deduct 10 years from that and make it 2021. All manufacturers will have very popular common error faults. This is the Baxi ones, there's 8 of them, and in my app F.22 we cover these, and I'll give you the answers coming up shortly. To find Baxi and 16 other boiler manufacturers with hundreds of error codes, download our app F.22. You can also phone from the app while you're on the job, or you can text or email them as the information that we've got there. This is an example of the error codes and what they actually mean. All of that information comes from the boiler manufacturer's website or technical information, so you know it's correct. I've included the phone numbers and the website so you can get more information from there, or contact technical support if you're a gas safe registered engineer. It's 0344 871 1545. Just a reminder, we've got all these apps, including 2 teaching ones, one for wiring and this one you can see for fault finding on boilers. So 21 chapters, easy to use, how to test components and what to look out for, apart from our usual gas rate, heat loss, wiring controls, error codes apps. They're all available from the 2 markets and they're all one price, $4.99. Take cares. If you're in the world of central heating, then I've written these 2 books, Fault Finding and Wiring Controls. Everything is in colour, easy to follow, spiral backed, and it's on offer for £40 for both books, UK postcodes only. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, because it really does help us out. And if you have a question or a comment about central heating, then please leave them down below. All the best and take care.